Welcome back. 3 out of 4 junketeer MLAs have made their payments for Brazil's junket trip. Avetano Furtado, Glenn Ticklow and Benjamin Silva have made their balance payments. However, Carlos Almeida is yet to do the balance payments. Around 44,54,000 rupees have been paid of the trip, but more payment of around 30 lakhs is pending. Ministers Milind Naik and Ramesh Tavadkar refrained from going on the trip, but the agency had already incurred their cost in the package. Now who will bear the loss?
The entire Brazil trip cost government about 89 lakhs, out of which now 3 MLAs have paid around 44 lakhs 54,000 rupees. On Wednesday, 3 MLAs paid balance amount of around 12 lakhs and rest around 13 lakhs. Avertan, first lap 3 lakhs, balance amount 11 lakh 84,000. Glenn, first lap 2 lakhs, balance amount 12 lakhs 84,000. Benjamin, first lap 2 lakhs, balance amount 12 lakhs 84,000. Among 4 junketeers, only Carlos Almeida is yet to do the balance payment of 12.84 lakhs. Though ministers Ramesh Tavadkar and Milind Naik did not go to Brazil, the agency had incurred money for the duo. It amounts to around 30 lakhs. Hence now the question is, will the duo ministers who refrained from their trip to Brazil at the last moment do the payments, or will government have to bear the necessary loss? Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
A petition pleading to suspend Judge Dveejpal Patkar has been filed before the High Court. Petitioner in his petition seeking immediate suspension of the judge has contended that she has been recently charge-sheeted in a dowry harassment case. During reference of this matter, the High Court observed that the proper action will be taken after assessing the merit of this petition.
In a letter petition filed before the High Court on Wednesday, petitioner Advocate Irish Rodriguez contended that Madgaon police on 5th March filed a charge sheet against Judge Dveejpal Patkar in a dowry harassment case. The High Court observed that merit of the petition will be examined and appropriate action will be taken.
Bench has assured me that they would immediately look into the matter and action would be taken in a day or two. In fact, the judge has also expressed that he may have to take the opinion of the Honorable Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court before taking any action.
Advocate Irish alleged that the accused judge is also trying to impact the case misusing her authority. He further said that if the High Court does not take appropriate action within a week, then he along with some NGOs will hold protests before the court.
If she is not suspended within a week, we would be constrained and compelled to hold demonstrations before the MAPSA court where Judge Patkar sits. If that also does not work, we would have to have demonstrations before the Honorable Bombay High Court, because this is the first time that a judge in Goa has been charge-sheeted.
Judge Dveejpal Patkar is currently Civil Judge Senior Division and Judicial Magistrate First Class at MAPSA. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Ferrari for Prudent.
Ex-Prime Minister and then Coal Minister Manmohan Singh has been summoned to appear as an accused in the Talbira 2 coal block allocation to Hindalco. Singh has not been charged with any offence but is being investigated for criminal breach of trust and criminal conspiracy, cheating and corruption. Singh says he would prove his innocence in a fair trial by CBI. Singh, along with Hindalco owner Kumar Mangalam Birla, former Coal Secretary P.C. Parak and 3 others will attend court hearing on 8th April. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.